target trade. Power trigger trade.
Alright people, I got a powerful video here. You're going to witness how we made 150% gains to 200% gains depending on the options you went into DIS, okay? So it all starts from April the 9th, okay? I want to talk about this. Pay attention. This is for the smart people who are serious for success, okay? And I'll be explaining how to become a member in this group, so pay attention to this video. Lots of great information to understand and study. So I posted this plan April the 9th. Let's take a look at here. You can see what I said. This is a great long-term plan that could make some stronger gains. I prepared this to make sure we would catch the gains. I knew its potential. And so here it is. Let me open this up here. DIS. DIS is set up to test 128 to 132 for a big move. Notice I said this. Big move. Okay. The May 17, 115 or 120 calls could be used. And then I gave an instruction. DIS needs to break above 117.50 to confirm. Okay, now, so let's go, in case you don't see my cursor over here, take a look at these arrows, this arrow area. We see these two arrows pointing here and here. And what you can see on the top over here, you look at the May 17, this is May 17 over here. If you look at the top, and then over here where the arrows are, you see the May 19 120 calls. So they're really May 17, but there's the 120 calls, okay? And you look at the price structure over here, and you see the 120 calls cost $227, and over here on the 115 calls cost $478. But that is not what we paid, because that was the closing price of the Disney options on April the 9th, okay? We haven't gotten into the plan. This is the plan we need to buy, which I call confirmation is key. We needed to confirm. I saw this was a good idea, and so therefore I made this plan because I want my people in the group to make dollar bills. And of course we did. We made some great dollar bills. And this is a great story. You want to pay, this is something really special, this story. Okay. So you can see I talked about getting in the May. I went into the 115 calls, but some people chose the 120s. That's why I used I gave people two different ones to get into. I went in the 115s, okay? Therefore, I made 150%, but on larger priced options. As you can see here, this confirming with the May 17 115 calls at $530, and the May 17 120 calls at $265, okay? So 2.65, which means $265, okay? So in the beginning, this did not pay us, okay? We were not making money on April the 10th, nor on April the 11th. Let me show you what I mean. So here I made comments. This is very strong, but can also be choppy. Trending support is 1550, then 1450. So this stock is very strong based on those key numbers. So what I do is I explain to the group why we need to hold and not be worrying that the market is, because the plan is going big. Because I know that this is a choppy stock, and you just can't buy it perfectly, right? In fact, if we didn't buy it and hold some of the losses for it, we would have missed the gains, because pre-market this stock already jumped to 128 practically right at the open. But we were already in, so we made killer gains, right? I'm going to show you that, right? So you do the math, right? We got in at 530, and I got better than that, but by confirmation standards 530 and 265 for the 120 calls, okay? So let me show you some more things I said. So you can see by this comment I made that, this did go against us, right? But I said, nice comeback for our stocks. As you can see, fear is not your friend. Skill is, and following the rules. That is what brings you success. A powerful live stream tonight, and I tell people to join it. Now, in our live stream, we're still losing in DIS, right? So we weren't making money either on April the 11th, but we are today, April the 12th. So here you see April the 11th. This is I'm still this acting like this, right? Meaning I'm telling you people, you know what? This is how this is, right? We gotta hold the plan. When my stuff confirms it's powerful, we hold it. We hold it by the rule standards. If not, we will miss the gains. And if we didn't, if you let fear get into your way because you were losing a little bit of money in this, guess what? No gains for you today. All right now. So this one key support of power is 116, and I told the supports, of course, this never touched our supports, right? So basically, what you can see, I'm telling the people, hold, don't worry, the power is there. Okay, and of course, we saw the power today, April the 12th, didn't we? Now you can see here on this. Now you see 7 hours here because this, when I posted this, this was pre-market, right? And this was doing good, right? And it was only at 120. It opened up much higher, okay? This opened up much higher. We're going to go take a look at the opening in the charts after. So long story short, I sold 50% at $1,500 for large percent gains. So let me show you where it is right now. I'm making this video at 2:33 p.m. So you can see right now, and you can, I know you can see my cursor. You can see right now that the 120 calls are at 1,061, and the May 115 calls are at $1,500. Right now, they actually went much higher. Okay, don't forget now that this is fluctuating, right? And you can see here's the time, right? Because see, RT over mean means real time, right? These are real time charts. You can see, well, if you look over here, the cursor will move when it does move. It has not moved yet. That's really slow. Anyways, here you see the time here, 2:33. 2:33, and see there's and so here it is. So pay attention here. The 115. The five, there's a fluctuation. There's a little 1 cent move. It went up and down there for a second. It's not moving very much right now. There's, see that fluctuation there. Okay, so the 115 calls you can see are $1,500, right? So I'm holding my runners. Now this has gone much higher. As you can see, the high was $130.90. Okay, so the options have gone much higher, right? Again, great gains, greater than 150% gains on the 115, and on the 120, 200% gains. Let me show you what I mean here. Let me show you what I'm talking about. All right, people, let me show you right over here something. See this pinned tweet? It explains how to become a member inside a Power Group Trades. Okay, so right over here explains how to. So that explains how to get in the group. Now, let me show you here. So Dexter here, $645 gift. Let's click on this over here. You can press pause and read, but he sent me about $2,500 between a range of that. Anyways, between $2,000 to $2,500 within I say about a month, this past month and a half. So he's been making some great gains. But today he sent me a $645 gain right over here, $645. And this again was huge gains he made in DIS. He explains his story over here. If you press pause, you can read that. I'm going to close that up right now. Thank you, Dexter. And now this is a really interesting thing. See, Freeland here over here sent me $258, but he wasn't a member in the group. What he did was he joined the live stream. Now let me show you something about the live stream quickly here. So you can see on April the 10th, I made a live stream and I talked about DIS and the options that we were in, okay? And he took action. He messaged me and I was like, why you send me? And he told me that he had listened to what I said in the live stream and I guess he studied more what I'm about. Took my advice, made money, and sent me a gift. Look, give me a second here, people. So here it is. He sent me that $258 gift right over here. It says, look what he said. It tells you right here. Thanks for the knowledge, Sandro. I listened to the live stream and earned. I'm sending a token of appreciation. Thanks again. Now again, he wasn't even in my group. I mean, this is a mind-blowing, amazing in itself, right? But I keep telling people to like what I tell people to study, even people in my group, is why success is yours. But if you don't listen to me, if you don't study, too bad for you. All right now. When you lose, it's too bad for those who don't listen to me. You don't listen to this. Listen, this video is better than anything you can get, anything more important than anything you could watch on YouTube right now. Okay? But it's for the smart. Most people are dum-dums. All right now. No offense. If you're a dummy, wake up, become smart. Maybe hopefully I wake you up. If you're smart, join the group. Simple, right? All right now. Also, a really great gift here. Ash. I made a mistake. It's supposed to be an H, not a K here. But let's click on here. And they sent me a total of $773 between the April the 6th and today, April the 12th. So within within a 6-day period, they sent me $773, and that came from two great plans that they took, HD and DIS. Let's take a look at over here. Thank you very much for a powerful this win, Sandro. Achieve 200% gains through your amazing guidance. Breakthrough is possible through your awesome leadership and exceptional big picture thinking. Ash, powerful people, just powerful, right? I mean, you got to read Dexter. Listen, Dexter, superstar, long-term member, okay? Ash is brand new, but killing it. The Ash is an amazing story that you want to study, okay? You want to read my stream. Listen, you want to study my stream. There's too much power here. Wake up and smell the coffee. All right now. David Wong sent me $225. Check that one out. So he sent me $225, but he also sent me a gift on April the 8th, okay? So it's not even within 2 weeks. I say it's within a week, right? Total of $353 winning. David's small account, but really doing really well. And this is a pretty big gift for an account his size. I assure you on this. Dung as well did really good. Sent me $260 in total between two plans, but sent me $128 over here. Okay, and Tisha has a small account, but really doing well. I think we brought their account up properly to the proper level. Sent me a good gift though for their account size, $100. Again, the key of my group is to help people with small accounts build them to big accounts so they can send bigger gifts. See, it's a win-win partnership. You come into my group, you follow my rules, it costs you nothing. When you make money, you send gift, but you got to study, you got to work, you got to produce, right? If you're not making money in my group, it's because you're a lazy bum, right? You're not listening to my rules, right? Get in my group, study, make the dollar bills, send the gifts, become a story, help other people. Nothing like this on Twitter or on YouTube. Nobody can do what I do. I have massive skills. I am a leader in both health and wealth. Let me show you something else, people. Let me show you some more stuff here. All right, welcome to Power Target Trades. Confirmation is key. Listen up, people. You want to study this creative playlist. You can check out my health stuff here. You can see, I'm a health and wealth expert. Nothing like this on YouTube, okay? But it's for the smart people, right? Most people are dumps. All right, now. Study this video you're seeing. Understand what options are if you don't understand what options are. I made videos on how to double your money. I do this all the time. It's my stream, my YouTube channel is littered with powerful proof, very well documented, unlike anything else you ever see in your life, okay? I have skills beyond anyone else out there, okay? And I mean it. And the more you study my rules and in my group, I will help you succeed because the market makes most people lose money. You will only succeed in my group in a special family. So subscribe to this YouTube channel, see a picture of me. You'll see at the end of the video a circle format. Simply click on it. I'm going to also try to link the live stream, but the live stream, you see it's called here. You can look for it. Live stream, April the 10th. Listen to that live stream. You're going to hear about this huge DIS plan. Talked about it in the live stream. I talk about rules. It's very powerful. Study it. I'll see you on the other. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video.
Power Target Trades. Power Trigger Trade.